Hey, what's up, HB guys? This is Angel from Snake on Fire US. Okay, today I will show guys a new pair Jordan shoes from my website. Yes, this pair is the Jordan 6, and this style have 4 colorways. This colorway is the Golden Harvest, and we also get the Gatorade colorway and the University Blue colorway and green colorway. Yes, this style have 4 colorways. It's all come out now. So if you want any colorway, please contact me for the details pictures. And you can order directly from my website. And if you want the better Western Union price, please add my Snapchat or my WhatsApp. Okay, now today I will show guys the Golden Harvest colorway. Okay, let me show guys the whole look of the shoes first. Yes. Okay. The Jordan shoes box also like this. Yes, this pair is the size 11. Yes. Okay. Now show guys the detail of the shoes. So big shoes. Okay, today I will show guys this pair, the Golden Harvest colorway. Okay, and this material are special. Yes, when you put your finger on it, the colorway not the same. Do you see it? Yes, just put our finger. Okay, the material are so good, and also have the holes on it. Okay, and check this part, and the design of the outsole of the button. Okay, move to the back. Yes, the back part. Here, Jumpman logo and air on it. Okay, another side of the shoes also have the holes and this part. Okay, the bumper of the shoes. Here, Jumpman logo and the shoes lace. Yes, and the shoes toe, the tongue of the shoes. Yes. Okay, move to the inside of the shoes. And the size lace here. Okay, and here have the button. Yes, the button are so heavy, and here a big Jumper logo here, and the shape design. Now show guys the quick look of another part. Okay. Yes, the quality are so perfect, and our price not too expensive. Welcome to my website to place an order, and if you want the wholesale price, please contact me directly, and I will post the Snapchat every day. So if you want to get the newest information, welcome to add my Snapchat. Okay. Okay, thank you for your watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave your comment about what do you think of this video, and about another shoes do you want me to have a review for you. So see you next time. Bye.